Jo, and this is a welcome video to the new look and focus of my Brain and Beyond channel. So what's changed? Well, the first thing is there's no more healing negativity here. My involvement with the device was to broaden my work in integrative and energy medicine. As you know, the company had problems, let people down. So if you're coming here for Healy updates, they have been finished. Instead, I'm going to be focusing my time and energy into producing more content that combines the world of psychology, biology, energy, and spirituality. As a registered clinical psychologist and integrative doctor, I'll be presenting you with the life-changing content whereby modern science collides with the world of healing secrets of the ancients. You'll have access to both paid and free content as I extend my private practice into a broader audience that extends around the globe. I will be presenting shorter videos, so I have learned that most people skip through the long content, potentially missing the most important parts of a video. So from now on, my videos will be between 2 and 10 minutes, but never longer unless I'm presenting a sleep meditation or a hypnosis session. I'm also currently working on my first online course called Life Detox, which will be ready for a beta launch soon. I will be recruiting people from my private clinic and people here who have subscribed to my YouTube channel and asking them to be the beta students. They'll be the test dummies running through the content to see what I might be able to improve. And that will be as a thank you for being with me as I go through this tech evolution that I have resisted for so long. So the beta trial will be made available for only 20 people and it will be worth over $2,500 in value. So watch out for the release of that in late November. I've also got some other courses that are still on the design table. So there's a caregiving support course and a psychology student course. So yes, I'm a board approved supervisor up to a master's level, so you can count any time with me toward your psychology internship hours. There will also be a SOUL-DETOX course that will be released as part 2 of the Life Detox course. And that will be the next in line for release. So this will be for those people really interested in knowing how to get to that next level of spiritual awakening and get completely unstuck from everything that's been holding them back in their lives. The SOUL-DETOX course will be through application and eligibility criteria only because I want the right people on this journey with me. Okay, so that's it for now. From here on, you will see Brain and Beyond begin to expand and evolve. If you are ready to get on this collision course of modern medicine and ancient healing secrets for life-changing physical, emotional, and spiritual freedom, then subscribe today and we will be part of this incredible journey together. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other and have a very happy and peace-filled day. Bye-bye.